Hello, greetings. I am Kumar Kritanshu, and you can call me Kriti. Now, this video is being made for the Data Strategy course for Asian Institute of Management. So we'll jump to a few questions to, to get to know about data science. The first question, what is data science? Well, in very simple words, data science is nothing but a study of data. But let's have a bookish definition of it. Well, this is a field that allows you to extract knowledge from structured or unstructured data to translate a business problem into a research project and then translate it back to a practical solution. Well, you can see the images which can really show you about the how data science is connected through everything. Now, what about data science? Well, is it a new kind of science? So let's see. Well, so I I'm still seeing debates over whether it's actually truly a science or this discipline is new at all. So first, I was splitting my brains a while back, trying to come up with a compelling reason for data science being both a science and a new discipline. Well, I would walk you through these three compelling points that came into the top of my mind. The first one being the users of the computer and internet became data generators. First, early computers were used mainly to make calculation that previously took an unreasonable amount of time. Well, and then second, people began to use computer to communicate and the internet developed in size and capacity. It became possible for data and results to be sent easily across a large distance. Well, this enabled the data analyst to amass larger and more varied set of data in one place for study. Well, moving to the third, the owners of many website and application realized that aggregation of actions of their user provided valuable insight into the success of their own product and sometimes human behavior in general. Now, these sites began to collect user data in form of click, type text, site visit, and other action a user might take. Now, the user began to produce more data than they ever consumed. And fourth, and the final, the advent of mobile devices and smartphones that are connected to the internet made possible an enormous advance in the amount of specificity of user data being collected. Well, through these stages of growth of computing devices and the internet, the online world became not merely a place for consuming information, but a data collection tool and of itself. So the next point where data actually became nothing but a new oil and the object of the study. And as people and the business realized that the user data could be sold for a considerable sum of money, they began to collect it indiscriminately. Now, to answer the initial question, is the data science a new kind of science? Well, maybe yes, or maybe no. Perhaps it's the evolution of years of computer usage. Which brings me to the next question, which is where has data science been useful and effective? Like which industry? Uh, and maybe I'll walk you through one concrete example. And to address this question, I'm not sure where to begin because data science has become the talk of the town, especially the town name is right now called the world, because it has been proven to extremely be beneficial and successful in assisting business in their growth. Almost every sector has been impacted by data scientists. They begin with big data, which has three characteristics: volume, veracity, and velocity. The information is then used to feed algorithms and models, and maybe in the medicine industry, their algorithm helps predict patient side effects. In sports, their model and metrics help redefine athletic potential. And well, data science applications have been even tackling the traffic with route optimizing models that captures typical rush hour and weekend news. I'll walk you through one concrete example, which I think many of us are aware of. The industry we follow on a regular basis, social media, and Facebook is one of the king of that industry. It employs data science in a variety of ways, but you would probably see every time that when you log in, an option called People You May Know, which is in the sidebar, which displays on the social media home screen, is one of the most popular data-driven features. Also, it targets sponsored content with data science. And additionally, Facebook developers have access to users' birthday party invite lists, sometimes friendship, acquaintance, and workplace relationship, all that. And these everything leave a substantial digital footprint. And this is just a minute component of data science for Facebook. There are many that got FB to make millions and millions. Well, which brings me to our last question. What is artificial intelligence and machine learning? A very simple answer. Artificial intelligence is a technology which enables a machine to simulate human behavior. And the goal of AI is to make a smart computer system like humans to solve complex problems. Well, Stuart Russell and Peter Norvig addressed the topic in their seminal textbook, Artificial Intelligence, a Modern Approach, by integrating their work around the theme of intelligent agents and machine. And AI is certainly defined by them as the study of agents that receive percepts from environment and perform actions. So let me walk you through a few examples that's of artificial intelligence. Is something that we use in our day-to-day activities, which is Siri, Alexa, and other smart assistants. Self-driving cars, like Tesla has been coming up with a lot of self-driving cars, robo-advisors, conversational bots, even email spam filters, even Netflix recommendation. Well, there are a lot of examples, but I'll just stick to these for now. And finally, the machine learning is nothing but a subset of AI. And it lets the computer learn from previous data without having to train it directly. The objective of machine learning is to allow machine to learn from data and produce reliable results. Well, machine learning aims to develop machine that can only do the task for which they have been programmed. This is a good part. And the fundamental concern of machine learning is accuracy and pattern. A few examples that you might be aware of is online recommendation system, Google search algorithms, and Facebook auto tagging options. And with that being said, I would like to conclude this video on the data strategy topic. Thank you very much. I hope you have a good day.